Today we are exploring the first aid basics, crucial for every construction site worker. First aid is about providing initial care to someone in need before medical professionals arrive. It includes assessing the situation, identifying injuries or illness, and taking appropriate action. Basic life support involves providing CPR, cardiopulmonary resuscitation, to someone who is unconscious and not breathing. CPR consists of chest compressions and rescue breaths, aiming to maintain blood flow and oxygenation until advanced medical care is available. Proper wound care involves cleaning the wound with mild soap and water, applying antibiotic ointment, and covering it with a sterile bandage. Bleeding control techniques include applying direct pressure to the wound and elevating the injured area if possible. The Heimlich maneuver is a first aid technique used to dislodge an obstruction from a choking person's airway. It involves abdominal thrust to force air from the lungs to dislodge the object blocking the airway. When dealing with fractures, it is essential to immobilize the injured limb to prevent further damage. This can be done by applying a splint or sling and providing support until medical help arrives. Understanding first aid basics is very important for all. Stay tuned for advanced techniques.